Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use PayPal on ACBuy. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is head on over to acbuy.com and sign into our account. Now, once we've logged into our account, go ahead and hover over your account icon and click on the top up button. From here, make sure you're on wallet, and then click onto top up to the right of that, choose an amount. So I'm just going to do 200 for this and click confirm. Then from here, want to scroll down and find PayPal. If PayPal isn't an option here, don't worry, there is a workaround. So from here, want to go ahead and click on the support icon, so the chat, then it will say send us a message. From here, we want to simply say, hey, I would like to deposit or top up my account using PayPal. Can you go through the correct way in doing so? So I basically said, hey, I would like to top up my account using my PayPal. Now they're going to do an auto reply message because they are quite busy. So as it states here, so it might take a little time before we can get back to you. Now from here, just be patient and I'll get back to you and they're going to show you how exactly to do that. So basically they're going to send you an email with instructions on how to do this.